Are you in the cement industry and struggling with long construction timelines and high costs? Building your facilities can be a daunting task, often leading to delays and budget overruns. But what if there was a way to streamline the process and reduce expenses without compromising quality? Introducing our pre-engineered buildings, specifically designed for the cement industry. Our innovative solutions offer rapid assembly, superior durability, and cost-effectiveness, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. With our pre-engineered structures, you can significantly cut down on construction time and labor costs, ensuring your operations get up and running faster than ever before. Imagine a facility that meets all your operational needs while being built to withstand the rigors of the cement industry. Our buildings are tailored to your specifications, ensuring maximum efficiency and functionality. Don't let construction challenges hold you back any longer. Take the first step towards a more efficient future. To know more details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.